This week we begin reading from the second book of the Torah, the book of Shemot, or Exodus. And in this portion we are introduced to the Israelites a couple of generations after last week's portion. The population has grown exponentially since the time of Joseph and his brothers and their families as they came down to Egypt. Now the population has increased. They have been moved into slavery, forced into slavery by Pharaoh, and they need a leader to begin the process of taking them back home, back to the land of Israel. And that process of choosing a leader focuses on this very dramatic scene on Mount Sinai at the burning bush. We're led to believe as Moses finds this bush burning without being consumed and hearing God's voice from it, that it is a miraculous occurrence. But we could also understand that that burning bush is always there. It's always burning. It's always an opportunity to hear God's voice. And so that teaches us this very profound lesson. How many moments in our lives do we have moments of spirituality, moments in which we can say truly that we have experienced God's presence? We could say that those moments come few and far between, and they happen almost miraculously. But at the same time, those moments in which we experience God's presence are moments in which we are able to experience that we have achieved a moment in which we are in tune with ourselves and in tune with spirituality. That's what happened with Moses at the burning bush. It didn't just appear just out of nowhere. Moses at that moment was able to experience God and to listen to God's voice. May we be able to have those moments in our lives so that it can motivate us to true and righteous living. Shabbat Shalom.